All right, early exploration and colonization test. Number 1. What motivated early European explorers to investigate the Americas? A. They wanted to find gold. B. They wanted to spread democracy. C. They wanted to leave overcrowded cities. D. They wanted to escape government monarchies. 2. Which of these explorers landed at Matagorda Bay in Texas while searching for the mouth of the Mississippi River? F. La Salle, G. Pineda, H. Cabeza de Vaca, J. Coronado. 3. Which of the following choices best describes European exploration in Texas? A. Anglo and Spanish settlers established colonies in Texas. B. Native Texans tribes were driven out of Texas by French settlers. C. Spanish and French explorers both claimed land in Texas. Or D. Spanish colonists abandoned exploration of Texas after not finding any gold. 4. Which of the following best describes the Spanish colonization of Texas? F. Forts were built to protect American Indian tribes in Texas. G. Native Texan tribes were discouraged from settling in Texas. H. Spain built missions to help them claim land in Texas. J. Spanish explorers negotiated treaties to trade and travel safely in Texas. 5. What is a likely reason that some missions failed? A. Native Texans already had their own ways of doing things. B. The missionaries could not build structures that would last. C. The Spanish sent no support for the missionaries. D. Most missionaries didn't believe in what they were doing. 6. What was not a reason for Spanish exploration of Texas? F. To search for gold. G. To achieve fame and glory. H. To steal guns from native Texans. J. To convert native Texans to the Catholic faith. 7. Which of these explorers wrote about his time as a slave and medicine man with the native Texans? A. La Salle, B. Pineda, C. Cabeza de Vaca, D. Coronado. 8. What was Cibola? Cibola was the name of the founder of San Antonio. G. Cibola was the disease that killed La Salle. H. Cibola was the name of Cabeza de Vaca's ship. J. Cibola was a legend of 7 cities made of gold. 9. What did Coronado hope to find in Texas? A. 7 cities of gold. B. Buffalo herds. C. A land passage to the Pacific Ocean. Or D. All-water route to New England. Number 10. Pineda maps the coast of Texas. In what year does the event of the newspaper headline above happen? F. 1519. G. 1607. H. 1658. Or J. 1718. Which group likely viewed Spanish missions with suspicion? A. Catholic priests. B. Native Texan tribes. C. Conquistadors. Or D. Anglo settlers. 12. Which of the following was a negative effect of the Spanish mission in Texas? F. Fighting broke out among native Texans over trade with the missionaries. G. Native Texans were moved to the coast to make room for the missionaries. H. Diseases brought by Spanish missionaries killed many native Texans. J. Native Texans starved because buffalo were wiped out by the missionaries. Okay, 13. According to the map above, missions and presidios are often built near A. Rivers, B. Mountains, C. Cities, or D. Canyons. And finally, 14. What conclusion about towns could you make using the map above? F. Towns were mainly located along the Rio Grande. G. Towns mostly grew in the mountainous regions of Texas. H. Towns were built before the missions. J. Towns were often located near missions and presidios. Feel free to review any of these questions or pause as you need.